Today I have a very old Yale hardened lock, and this is number 0C of my collection. This is one of the very first that I've been picking, but now I am much more experienced. I'm still a beginner, 5 months of training behind me. But I remember that it was very hard in the beginning, this one, and then it became very easy. But now I rented this out, not rented, I lent this out to a friend for his training purpose, and so now it is quite a few months since I last opened this. And so let's see if it is still easy for me or if it had become hard in the process, because I do not know this lock by heart anymore. Let's go. Number 1 is binding tightly, very tightly. Right click. Number 2 seems binding or free. I don't really understand. I leave it alone. Number 3 is free. Number 4 is free. Number 5 is free. No, obviously number 2 was the way to go. So number 1 is set. Number 2 is binding. Click out on number 2. I feel this is a very small hook for this purpose, so let me just get a larger hook. So we were at number 1, 2, set. Now let's see if number 3 is binding now. Yes, number 3 is binding. Click. Number 4. Click. Binding order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this one. In fact, it was a very easy one to begin with. Okay, binding, click, and we got this open. And this lock really surprised me in the beginning, because even though it looks very hard, and it is manufactured by Yale, it was with no security pins whatsoever and very easy to open. Anyway, I'm very glad that I've been able to open this, since it was very many months since last time I tried it. And so just for the purpose, I recall that this, since it has no security pins, it was straightforward to open with a rake. So let me just get this. Let's see. I've not been training with rakes in quite a few days, but it was very simple, even when I was very much more a noob than I am now. So let's see if it is still easy to open with a rake. There. All right. So I'm happy. Apparently my skill that I've been developing is not only for locks that I know of, and it is something that I can actually practice on locks all around, even though this was very simple to open. Okay.